As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil one-burner. What do you think?
Okay, yeah, I see them. The Weber Q1200 looks a bit more premium, doesn't it? It's got that cast aluminum body and porcelain enameled cast iron grates. That's a nice touch.
Definitely. And it's got a built-in thermometer, which is handy. The Char-Broil just mentions a temperature gauge. Is there a difference?
Probably just marketing speak. But the Weber's got a smaller cooking area, 189 square inches versus the Char-Broil's 240. So you could cook more burgers at once on the Char-Broil.
True. But the Weber boasts 8,500 BTU. What about the Char-Broil?
The Char-Broil's specs list wattage. Instead of BTU, converting it to BTU, it's around 21,600 BTU.
Wow, really? So it heats up faster. But what about portability? They both claim to be portable.
The Char-Broil weighs a little less, 28.2 pounds against the Weber's 30 pounds. Not a huge difference, but still. And the Char-Broil comes with a hose and adapter for a 20 lb propane tank, which is convenient. The Weber only works with those small disposable cylinders, unless you buy an adapter separately.
Good point. That could save some money in the long run. What about ignition?
Both have electronic ignition, so easy startups for both. The Weber has folding side tables, which the Char-Broil doesn't seem to have. That's a plus for prep space.
Yeah, I noticed that. And the Weber has a higher rating, 4.8 stars with almost 8,000 reviews. The Char-Broil has 4.4 stars with around 2,000 reviews.
Numbers don't lie, but the Char-Broil is almost half the price. The Weber is around $260, and the Char-Broil is around $110.
That's a big difference. So it's really a trade-off between features, brand reputation, and price. The Weber is better built and has higher reviews and more features, but the Char-Broil is much more affordable and includes the adapter.
Exactly. If you're on a budget and just need a basic portable grill, the Char-Broil is a solid option. But if you want something a bit more premium with more features and better reviews, and don't mind spending more, the Weber Q1200 is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.